we have a procedure for solving an equation with multiple steps in it. We can use this as a guideline. First is clear fractions. Second, use distributive law to eliminate parentheses, simplify both sides, isolate variable to one side, constant to the other, undo multiplication or division, and last, check the solution. Using that as our guideline on this particular problem, we have a fraction. The first procedure is to clear that fraction. Now we could multiply by the reciprocal, but it would end up with a fraction over here. So to eliminate the fraction, I'm going to simply multiply by the least common denominator, and since there is only one denominator, it's pretty simple. It is 3. To see how that simplifies, I'm going to put a denominator of 1. The 3's cancel out, leaving 2 times the quantity in the numerator of 2x minus 1, and simplifying on the right with that multiplication property of equality, both sides being multiplied by 3, leaves us with a 21. The next guideline is to use distributive law to eliminate parentheses, and we do have that. So distributing means every term inside the parenthesis is multiplied by this number here. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times -1 is -2 is equal to 21. The next step is to simplify both sides. These are not similar terms, and this is only a single term, so we're good on step 3. 4 says isolate the variable to one side. There is only one variable term. It's on one side, but we need to get the constant on the other side. So here's where we start working backwards through the order of operations. To undo a subtraction, I will add. To maintain equality, add that same quantity to both sides. 2's cancel out. 4x plus 0 is 4x. 21 plus 2 is 23. And our last step as far as solving is to undo multiplication or division. To undo multiplication, divide both sides by 4. The 4's cancel out, leaving a 1x, and leaving this solution right now as an improper fraction, we will have a solution of 23rd fourths.